Up everyone, is the Waleza here, and I want to tell you just my name is Waleza, and I just want to show you how to do your Facebook ads. Actually, break down everything very easy for 2020 June. Actually, this is the most recent strategy that everyone uses right now. Okay, let's go. So here we are in our ads manager. This is from from June. So let's see how much do I have this. 7 pages, only that 7 and these things. And let's go. Okay. So the first thing first. So first thing first, you have to see which ad, which personal account you want to use, a personal account, business account, or whatever, like what suits you. So we go to account overview. And I'll explain to you what is here. This is the account overview. You can see how much you spent overall, like for all the campaigns and so. And that gives you an overview about everything. And are you winning or not winning, and which demographic. And this is actually useful when you have only one product in the account. Because if you are marketing like many product, then this is going to be useless from this overview because it will be a mess. So you just have to go to the campaigns and just see them from there. But that's why I always prefer to promote just one product per account. So let's do it. This is the new thing about COVID thing, resources or whatever. Update, CD update, product related. This is where they tell you like which product you have to market and which one you cannot promote. And the delay is expected for request ad reviews, running store traffic ads during the pandemic. Let's go to campaign. Let's go to create campaign. First and first, you choose what you want. You want brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, or conversion. This is for mostly e-commerce. Some people use it to get engagement. I don't use actually this at all here, awareness, because awareness you will get it if you do these things, engagement or conversion. And these are the most important one: lead generation, messages, engagement, traffic, or these ones here. Oh, let's see. Drive visits to your physical stores by showing ads to people who are nearby. And this, you send more people to a destination such as a website, app, messenger. And so this is more specific to your e-commerce website, and this one is not specific. Traffic, you can get it through an app or something else. So I always go for conversions. Conversions. Then here you name your convert. Like I don't know. Like if you have, I always name it my my product name and do. Is it the top funnel, like first funnel, first campaign of the top funnel, or whatever, test funnel, or whatever. So let me just say like I'm promoting a bag. I'm gonna bring a bag. Test one top of funnel. Here there is create ABC test. This is another thing as well, and here is campaign budget optimization as well. Actually, I don't, like many people say that you have to test this way, but I don't. I turn this off and I turn this off. I want to A/B test and I want to do the optimization. And when I find something that works, then I go to these places. I go and do A/B test for me. Like I let the AI do its thing, but at the beginning you just have to do it yourself, and I prefer that way. Okay, destination website. You select an event to use as the conversion. Here you have to select, of course, purchase. Uh, uh, Yeah, I chose the pixel that I have, and I will go for purchase. This is a dummy account. Cost control, average cost per purchase. This you forgot it. You just forget this. Dynamic creative. Here, provide a creative as such as images in line will automatically generate combinations optimized to your audience value. This as well is kind of good, but it's always, as always, better to do it yourself. I don't know, but I still don't trust Facebook AI. Here, the offer as well. I leave it off. So you just go here, create a custom audience. Like if you have a custom audience, you can put it like customer video views or whatever. And the location. Location, I always put the big five. Big fives, for example, start with the United Kingdom, Canada, United States, Australia. Well, you can always add more countries, but I always start with this, and New Zealand as well. And since I live in Germany, I always leave Germany. Age. Many people say again that you have to leave it just like this, but come on. Since when did you have money with your card to buy stuff at 18? Well, that's me. Or even if you had it, you had studies or you had things to pay for and not for something that you see on Facebook. I always do it 25. Or at least, if I give it the benefit of doubt, I do it to 22. X plus detail, because most of the 18 years old people at 20, they just scroll around and they will just watch a video and that's all. Detail on targeting, expansion, nope, that I don't want. People who match. Show more options, languages, all languages, you do edit, English, oops, English all, connections, edit, add a connection date, that you leave it up. And then we have to exclude actually some people. Let's exclude, I always exclude drop shipping. Oh, fuck. So I always exclude AliExpress. Always exclude drop. Hopefully, yes, drop shipping. Yeah, those are one of the main things that and I'll do always as well, Shopify. So at least you exclude it so people don't see it actually. So everyone who likes something that has anything to do with Shopify, or dropshipping, or AliExpress, he will be excluded. Hopefully. Here, everyone was again telling you do manual placement, Facebook feed, and actually Instagram feed. But that as well, since everyone is doing it, the price got higher. So everyone is fighting for the same places. So I suggest to do automatic placement and leave it just like that. Because you don't know what's gonna work. Maybe Instagram story, maybe whatever, and that's how you should do it. Okay, now with the daily budget, actually I don't do daily budget. I always go for lifetime budget. Believe it or not, I don't know if it's true or not, but I see that when Facebook see that you're gonna spend 20 euros a day, you say that, oh, Facebook, I will spend 20 euros a day. And then someone comes and tell him, hey, Facebook, I will spend 350 euros for a lifetime budget from this date to this date. Like, let's say start date, today's 25, let's say the 26th at 00. Give me the 00, bro. You need AM. Need 00. Eh? Don't know why this shit doesn't do 00. Anyway, I don't know. This is weird. And then I put it until 31. I always count 10 days. For example, 10 days, it's like the 26th. I'll put it on the. So I said, where is it? 26 June. So I'll put it on the 6th. Yep, just like this. Oh, fuck, that's August, bro. No. So, the 666, where's the 6? Yep, just like this. And if I wanted, for example, to do a lifetime, this is just for one ad set, so you have to understand this. So this is gonna be only one ad set. So the one ad set will be, if we do it like 20 euros, like 10 euros or 11 euros, then so it's gonna be 11 and 111. So I'll put 111 euros for the lifetime thing. You'll spend up to 105 thing. So every day it's gonna approximately go for 11 euros or less or more. So it's gonna allocate the budget as they want. Okay, you already ended. This is the most important thing. None of that shit that we did is important actually, it is important, but not as important as this here. Because this is what your people are seeing. Here, the ad name. We were in the ad set, now this is the ad name. Let's say video 1. Here you choose your which brand do you want to advertise with. You selected page, whatever. You can create an ad, use existing post if you want. Let's see how many Facebook, how many existing posts we have. Actually, we don't have none here. Okay. So we're gonna go for single image. Here's a carousel if you want to do more videos or photos. Here it's a collection if you have a collection. Add an instant experience is when you click on a video or like or photo, and then just down below it you see the website, and that's the instant experience. That's what I like. So let's go actually here, and then you add your media actually here. Create a slideshow, create a video. We go to create a video. I have to find a video. And actually the video creation kit of Facebook just got a lot of modifications, and I like that. Like, it got easier actually. At least they help you with something. See the vertical? You just put some photos and it goes with this. Okay, and add media, add the video. For example, I had this, what is this here? I don't really know, my video up. Let's do this, continue. Say for example, I have this one, this video here. Select the placement to customize. Okay, here. It gives you everything on Facebook. You can just customize like the same video, you customize it for every placement. And it's extra work, but that's how it works. So this one I was actually promoting. And yeah. Up, text overlay. You can play text overlay or something. You can put whatever you want. Blah, 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 blah. Actually, you have your own fucking editing software here. Thumbnail as well. You can use a thumbnail, a custom one. You can crop, trim. This is awesome. So here you can use it and edit the placement one. And you can customize every placement. Okay. Let's go. Now we write the primary text like this is the best. This is the best product. Blah blah blah. The magical product. And here you put a description, like say whatever you want. I don't know, like this can help you measure every surface in your place without without what? Without delay. No worries if it will fit. Okay, let's go. Now you get the website URL like www.amazon.com. And here you can see how it's gonna look on Facebook feed, Instagram feed, on Facebook Marketplace, on Facebook video feed, stories as well, how it's gonna look. So you can see how it's your video. And if you see, like, for example, that your video would look like shit on one of the placement or something, you just go here and customize it as it should be. Like this is how it's gonna be on the other one. And you could even, if you don't like the clip that is being seen on these 10 seconds in the on the story, you just take it off and do another 10 seconds. That's how it works. Here, like learn, and you see where is shop now. You don't do learn more, you do shop now. Okay, so this is basically how you do your targeting and everything. Now, just the moment that we will add an instant experience, blah, blah, blah. Another option. You can add a 5 primary text. Like you see the, oh come on, sorry guys for this. So guys, you just go here and you click on confirm. Once you confirm your item, this may take a few seconds. Sorry for the music thing, I tried to stop it but it doesn't want to. Yay, you just published your first campaign. Hoo-ha. Okay. Amount spent 60 euros. This was so old. I didn't even know. This was one of my first campaigns, actually. It was in 2019 in January. Okay, now it's scheduled for midnight or for 1 o'clock. So the thing that you do is this, actually, because one ad set is not enough. Oh shit, there's too many ads here. Let's do this, for example. Let's do up, selection. I don't know if this is a bug or this is just Facebook doing its thing. I don't really know. Huh? Why doesn't it be? It's not going to be selected or what? I see. It's because of the. Oh gosh. Let's try to make this. Now it's working. Sorry if it's in the middle because I cannot click on it. So you just select it. Let's select campaign here. Here we go. Now I can see only this one here because I selected the campaign from here. And one thing you do is you come over here. Oh, sorry. You click on edit. And you go for the video. Oh, not again. Okay, stop. You select that thing, edit video, So one thing you do is you just come here and instead of create ad, you just click on use existing post. I'm on video and you click on existing post and then you just hit on publish. It's the same ad, same everything. Then after it's published, we're gonna come here. No, I'll wait for it to be published actually. So, come on, let's hurry. My computer is getting really slow. This is a disaster. Okay, come on. I'm gonna pause this for a second because it's gonna take, I guess, a little bit of time. Okay, as it's, I think, published. I don't really know if it's published. Let's go and take the same ad set and just duplicate it 10 times. It depends on your budget, actually. You can do it 5, 10, or 20 or whatever. Click on duplicate. Existing campaign. Yep, that's the existing campaign. And you do the number of copies. Oops, let me do this again. Duplicate. And you have 10 ad sets. Having the same placements, having the same audience, having the same everything, even the creatives. And normally I have only one creative here, but you have to do at least 3. That's my experience if you want it to work for you. It's all about product, creative, and store and Facebook. Facebook is always last. Okay, let's see. Use existing post. It uses the existing post. You see here, this you have to check always if it uses the existing posts. These some things that the gurus don't talk about, but you're it's really gonna be a pain in the ass. These normal things, simple things, are the one that will drive you crazy. So you just have to see if they all have the same creative with the number and so, and that's it. You can even create another post. So as I told you, use three more creative. So if you use three videos or three photos or whatever, a mix of them, you will see a video one, video two, or photo two, or whatever. Yeah. Oh, sorry. And then publish draft items. Then one thing you have to do for each ad set, I forgot to do this. Let me do it this way. Oh shit. I have to show you this as well. I'm gonna pause this again. So one thing you have to do for every and each of them, that's something you have to do. You just go here and then you go for audience. And yeah. So one thing you have to do is just like remember that I excluded AliExpress and Dropship and Shopify, but I forgot the targeting actually. Who am I targeting with my product? Like who is gonna need something to measure things, furniture, whatever. Let's say carpet man or something. Carpetry or something. Carpet cleaning, carpet prevention. It's in French actually, carpentry. Let's say carpet installer, whatever. That's a job actually. That's just a construction. Oh, construction. 570. I don't tell you to go for this one, 517, but go for this one, home construction. Yep. So detail targeting include people who match home construction. Yeah, that's for the first one. Then you go to the second one. Then you go detail targeting our audience. Then again, suggestions. You click on construction. And then you see suggestions. Constructions. And then let's say mix around building. You can always get manufacturer like suggestions for manufacturer, bidding, mobile home, whatever. And then for each ad set, you change. Each ad set you change the targeting. So you target different groups. That's the thing. And here you can leave it for men or women. I always do only the if it has a makeup thing or so, then I do women or men if it's something else. And then you publish everything. Then you have 10 ad sets ready to roll. Yeah, that's about it actually. I told you it's not Facebook that is hard because Facebook thing, if you have everything in place, Facebook ads will take you 5 minutes to do. It took me a time because I had to go and get a creative and go this and check the audiences. But if you have everything in time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and that's it. Because the back end is the most important, not Facebook. Okay, so as they're publishing one by one here, or whatever, one of 20. and you can go to ads for AdSet, and then because I'm selecting 1 year and I'm selecting only one, so you will see many ones here, all the videos. And so okay, so I'm gonna turn off the campaign because I don't want to waste money on this shit. It's not a good product. It was a good product actually, but not anymore because everyone starts selling it. Okay, this is what I hate when it's review and publish. I already reviewed and published. Okay. Just have to see. Let's turn this off. And let's turn everything off. Sometimes I launch a lot of adsets. Like one time I launched 100 adsets. Actually, but when you hear 100 adsets, it's not like I'm putting them for 100 euros each. 100 adset was, I don't know, 10 euros or so. Yeah, it was. Yeah, but then I was getting a lot of money. That's why. Turn off. Da-da-da-da. Okay, so hopefully you got something from this video and you got that this is not the most important thing, but having the store, product, and creative. Creative is what makes the product sell. Yeah, those are the things that you have to learn. Well, hopefully you got it, and I'll see you in another dropshipping or money making way. Ciao, ciao.